All right, I just got a shipment of new merch from WWE Shop and GameStop. Let's check out, see what we got. And some of these are definitely gonna be prizes for future pay-per-views. I'll be using the world's smallest knife, gifted to me by none other than Johnny Boots. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I see a finger. Oh, Hulkster. There we go, Hulkster. Number 1. Hulk rules. There we go. That looks cool, actually. NWO backpack. Okay, so yeah, this looks pretty cool. I think I'm gonna be using this. Absolutely. Let's see what else we got here. Got another box here. Now, the first box from GameStop came damaged, unfortunately, as you can see here. Look at that. I'm going to return this for a full refund. That is not okay. Definitely not for my fans. Definitely not for me. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got here. This what I think it is. Whoa. There we go. That's a legit figure. There is a little damage to it though. I might exchange this one as well. We're looking for pristine figures here. Alright, that one's got a scuff mark too. What are you doing, GameStop? Scuff mark. We got Riddle. Rocky Maivia, okay. Yeah, I don't know about these scuff marks here. It's not cool. I might have to exchange these, but we'll see. All right, one more box. And it's one more Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. Okay. Not bad. All right, so I just got to remove that sticker though. That's not cool. There you have it. That's my unboxing. However, half of it, almost half of it, came a little damaged, so I'm gonna have to exchange some of it.